Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Fragrance Specialist. Today we'll be reviewing a fragrance from the house of Oriflame, and that is Signature. Now, Oriflame is a Swedish company that produces cosmetics and beauty products, and they also focus on fragrances for both men and women. Now, this fragrance was released back in 2008. I don't know the perfume behind this fragrance, but it has been in the market for a while now. One thing I know about Oriflame is that you can either purchase from their official website or from other discount websites, but Oriflame is not usually a brand that is spread all around the internet. It's a very sort of a small scale company, and I don't want to say it's rare to find these fragrances, but you have to look on various websites to be able to put your hands on this fragrance. Now, Signature is the original fragrance from Oriflame. They do have a flanker for this fragrance. It's called Signature Zoom, and I believe they have other flankers for this scent. Okay, so let's start off things by showing you the presentation for Signature by Oriflame. So let's start with the box first. Here's the box. It says in the front Signature with a swirl pattern. It goes around the sides of the box. On the top you have the Oriflame logo. On the bottom you have some warnings. And in the back you have the ingredients. So let's move to the bottle now. Very simple bottle. This is a 75 ml. I believe it's only available in 75 ml. At the cap it has the Oriflame logo, just like the box. At the bottom it has the serial number and other information. The color of the liquid, it's sort of an amber color. It has Signature. Very nice presentation, very simple, and it's definitely quality. It's not something that is cheap or inexpensive. They put some effort, and I really like the bottle. Sorry. Okay, so let's move on to the note breakdown for this fragrance. The top notes are pears, nectar, and black pepper. The mid notes are guaiac wood, cedar, and nutmeg. And in the base we have amber, vanilla, oak moss, and musk. Now, what do you get out of this scent? The first impression I got from this scent, that this fragrance is heavily based on nectar. So as I mentioned, nectar is one of the top notes, and I definitely get a lot of nectar. Not to confuse yourself with peach. Peach and nectar are very similar, but as you know, nectar has a harder skin and it's more flavorful and it's a little bit bitter compared to peach. Peach has a soft skin and a lot of flesh. I get a lot of nectar in this scent. This is something that I really like about this fragrance. When I saw the note breakdown on Fragrantica, and then I saw it on the website, I did not hesitate whether to purchase this scent or not. I went right ahead and I bought this scent, and I was not dissatisfied with the scent. I was very pleased. It's a crowd pleaser, and it's a very mature scent, but in a very nice way. Now, in terms of the pear and black pepper, I really don't get pear that much, but I do get the black pepper, because at the initial blast, it's nectar, sort of a woodsy, peppery scent. So that leads us to the mid notes. The mid notes are garlic wood, cedar wood, and nutmeg. You definitely get the garlic wood. As I mentioned, this scent, it's a very woody scent, along with that nectar at the start. You also get a lot of that nutmeg. This is a very spicy scent, I've noticed that, but the nectar, as I mentioned, really smooths out the harshness of this scent. So moving on to the base, we've got amber, vanilla, oak moss, and musk. Now, you definitely get the amber. The color of the bottle shows you a lot of, what this scent is gonna be like. And definitely I get this. The best way to describe this scent is like an ambery, sort of a nectar, sweet, spicy, and a woodsy scent. If you really look at all these components, this is a very well balanced scent in my opinion. And towards the end, you get a little bit of that musk. The musk is usually a note that is found in many fragrances, and is the ending stage of the fragrance when it pretty much just dies out. Overall, the scent is a very nice scent, and I do have multiple Oriflame fragrances. After I bought this scent, I expanded my Oriflame collection, and they have a few very nice, really nice top of the line fragrances. They have the citrus tonic, very nice scent. They have also a scent for women. I believe it's called Blue Wonders, and other few fragrances in the same line. Oriflame did a great job with this scent, and it's a very affordable scent too. So I highly recommend you guys to check it out. If you can't test this fragrance, just purchase it, because it's a very nice scent and you're gonna like it. So let's rate this fragrance. Versatility, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. This is a very versatile scent. Could be worn during the day, during the night, all seasons. In terms of the presentation, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Very nice box, nice bottle. Everything seems quality. So I really like the presentation. So overall, this scent gets an 8 out of 10. The performance does have some issues. At the first hour or two, it's a solid fragrance, but it dies down really quickly, and the sillage on this scent is not very heavy. So you might want to get a decant with you and spray every couple hours or so to get good longevity. And I also, as I always mention, when you spray cologne, try to put some cologne on your shirt, because your shirt does soak in all of this fragrance. So this is my review for the Oriflame Signature, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.